Installing your Power and Temperature Management System Package 1 is very simple. In our shipment, you will find 3 components: an energy meter, a temperature sensor and a QR code. Find the wall Schuko socket in which your refrigeration unit is plugged. Unplug the refrigeration unit from the socket. Plug the energy meter into the wall socket. Plug the plug of the refrigeration unit into the energy meter and you are done. Now, find the temperature sensor in the box please. The sensor should be placed next to the temperature sensor of the refrigeration unit. Wipe the place dry and place the sensor of the system by sticking it inside. Now, find the unit ID or QR code. Avoid mixing IDs because it could give false readings. Stick the unit ID on the refrigeration unit and you are done.